Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Guess what I have? I have the Walmart beauty box. I got an email from Walmart offering me the beauty box again, and I thought, you know, why not? I should just go ahead and get it again. So yeah, I think you guys know it comes every season, right? This one is the fall. Yeah, beauty box fall. It says so right there. Let's see if you can read that. I'm working on I hope that worked. We'll see. We'll see. There we go. I'm working on the focusing. I didn't even touch anything. I know my hand went up. I didn't touch anything, so I'm hoping I've got the focusing worked out. We'll see. All right, we've got Fall for Beauty Walmart box. Meet Your Obsessions. So I guess let's see what we got here. Okay, first it says Olay cleansing melt plus vitamin C. That's this. That's that. That's funny. It's called fondants. Let's see. Full size of this is $9.98 for a 32 count. This is a 1 count. No, this is 4 count. A daily facial cleanser that transforms the look and feel of skin without stripping. Water activated cleansing pads activate into a rich lather to clean, tone, and refresh. This would be great to put in a travel bag. You know, I might save these to travel with, but that looks pretty cool. It looks pretty good. I'll tell you about them in an empties video at some point in my life. Degree travel size dry spray deodorant. That's nice. Full size, $6.12. Okay. This is in Sexy Intrigue. All right, that's a scent for you. Oh, CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Lash Line in Bold Black. Is that a full size? Full size is $7.98. I guess I think this is the full size. I don't know why I think it's small. Maybe that's why I think it's small. Maybe. And this is a sample size of, so that's, to me, it's kind of in between. That's all right. This is a micro eye pencil in black. Okay. I will lay that there. Next, we have a, ooh, this is nice size. This is Shea Butter 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion in Vanilla Cashmere. That's nice. $8.98. I probably won't use this. I think I will pass this on maybe to my mother-in-law. I think she might like that. She uses a lot of body lotions. I prefer the cream or butters, personally. I'm not a fan of body lotion. So, well, it's okay. Just put it that way. I just prefer the other. Next, Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla. Oh, Moisture and Hold Jelly. Full size, $11.97. This is not a full size. For dry, dull, and brittle hair. I can't. On clean, wet, damp, or dry hair, apply. Where's my magnifying glass? I need a magnifying glass to find the magnifying glass. I don't see it. Oh, here. Apply gel evenly from roots to tips. I'm reading it right here. From roots to tips, working hair into your desired style. Apply more as needed. Okay. Yeah, I might try that. I want to try to lock my curls in. I'll try that. I have Hask Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner. I like Hask products. This is nice. I will definitely use this. It just doesn't have a flavor, a smell. But there we go. And then my box is empty, even though there's one more thing on my card. My card shows the NYX Professional Makeup Duck Plumping Lip Gloss. But I don't have that in my box. Don't see your product here? Your box may include an extra. Well, mine's missing a piece, apparently. Nothing else in my box. So, oh well. That's okay. I got quite a few things. How many things did I get? I got 6. Missing 1. Not a bad box. I am not against this box. I've laid things everywhere. But yeah, the body lotion I think is going to my mother-in-law. I will definitely use the conditioner and this Carol's Daughter. See how that does in my curls. The deodorant I'll use. The cleanser I will take on vacation. Yeah, it's a good box. I like it. We will see what I get next season because I did order this a little late, you know. So yeah, I'm happy with it. So guys, tell me, do you still get Walmart beauty boxes? If you do, did you get something different? You know, what you get in your Walmart beauty box for fall? If you are new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see you next time.